Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends. Subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notifications about all the videos. Standard 10 Language Study. Question 1 Language Study, 20 marks. Part 3 of 5. Question 1a. Do as directed, 16 marks. First, complete the words by using correct letters, 2 marks. Answer: private, wonder, salesman, enjoy. Second, copy the sentences correctly, 2 marks. Answer: PV Sindhu received gold medal. Second, she sells seashells on the seashore. Third, put the following words in an alphabetical order, 2 marks. Answer: first, captain, leader, order, patient. Second, train, trance, trap, tree. 4. Punctuate the following sentences, 2 marks. First, must we believe in it? My friend asked me. Answer: first, must we believe in it? My friend asked me. Second, we have collected the funds. Fifth, make 4 words minimum of 3 letters each using the letters in the given word, 2 marks. Scarecrow. Answer: scare, care, war, race. Sixth, spot the error in the following sentences and rewrite the correct sentences, 2 marks. First, 2 and 2 makes 4. Second, I felt tired as I have worked hard. Answer: first, 2 and 2 make 4. Second, I felt tired as I had worked hard. Seventh, write the related words as shown in the example, 2 marks. Score: high. Answer: score, high, low, excellent, good, top. 8. Complete the word chain of adjective. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word, 2 marks. Strong. Answer: strong, good, damp, pure, easy. Question 1b. Language Study. Do as directed, 4 marks. First, make a meaningful sentence of your own using the given phrase, 1 mark. Go through. Answer: go through the letter and decide your opinion. Second, add a prefix or suffix to the following words to make new words and use any one of the root words in your own sentence, 2 marks. A. Able. B. Arrest. Answer: A. Ability. B. Arrested. The thief was arrested by the police. Third, add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully, 1 mark. As soon as the train arrived. Answer: as soon as the train arrived, all the passengers rushed to board it.